Hello, beautiful people. I am coming to you today with some information. I thought I had done a video on this before, but maybe not. So today I just want to offer a little bit of advice to those of you who are looking to start your business and may not have ever started a business, or you may have, but I have clients that reach out to me, or potential clients that reach out to me, and they have gone through or plan to go through other companies. I won't name any companies, but other companies to get their legal documents, such as their EIN numbers, or they have someone else to register their business with the Secretary of State. Okay? So this video targets those of you who are in Georgia and other states. This could be the same as well for you. Do you know? I know if you're in another state, you can still go on the irs.gov site and apply for your EIN number yourself for free. Takes about 10, 15 minutes, maybe at the most, if you don't know what you're doing, okay? For free. For your Secretary of State documents, you go onto the Secretary of State's website and you apply, and it costs about $75, I think, to get started, between $75 and $100. And I'm sure you're paying most likely double for these companies, at minimum probably, for these companies to apply for that information for you. But once you reach out to your consultants, you're kind of watching your dollars. So I always recommend, if you are working with a consultant or planning to work with the consultant, start with them. And they can give you ideas or tidbits on how to find this information or do these things for free. Or they may offer them at a lower cost. I know a lot of times if my clients are struggling with it, I'll go ahead and do it for them. It's not something that I like to do for them, because I want you to be able to do it, because each year you have to go on and renew with the Secretary of State. As far as the EIN number, if you just really can't get that, then I can walk you through it virtually. Okay? So I just wanted to throw that out there because, again, if you're reaching out to us as consultants and, you're wanting to pick your pieces and try to put them together, you want to try to put your packet together yourself, but you've paid for another company to get you a free EIN number or to register your business name, those are dollars and cents that could add up onto your package information that you need to pay for, that you should pay for. And I'm not saying that people can't put their policies and procedures together on their own, but when you're reaching out and you're asking us or me or whoever, as a consultant, if you're asking us to help you make sure that you got everything right, or, that you've added everything, then that money should have gone towards getting you a professional policy and procedure packet and some training and assistance along the way. Because, I don't know about other coaches or consultants, but I do not tell you what all is included in that packet. As much as I'll tell you is, yes, your policies and procedures, everything that is required in the state of Georgia to get you licensed as a private home care agency that needs to be uploaded. Either I provide it or it's things that you have to get and provide to me. Okay? There's nothing left. Okay? So I just wanted to kind of throw that out there. The cost over the years has gone up. Our policies and procedures packet is now $1,000. The administrative training is only $300. If you've gone through another company and you're licensed, another consultant or whatever, and you're licensed, and you still don't understand what it is you should be doing, or you're preparing for a state survey, then you can reach out. We can schedule you for that administrator training at $300. We'll travel to your location if you are within a reasonable amount of mileage, and that's usually 50 miles. If you're further than that, then yes, you would incur a mileage travel fee that would substantiate the difference in the mileage. But yes, we are here to help you. We want to help you grow. You know, we can come out and help you prepare for your survey. If you get citations, we can help you fix those. But, you know, kind of bring us in from the beginning where you don't need to fix things as much and it works in your favor. But those things can be fixed. So I don't have a problem helping you fix your problem areas. You know, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, as I always say. But please put those investments in your consultants and your coaches instead of trying to kind of penny pitch on the end of getting the packet created, but you're paying someone to get documents that you can get for free or that your consultant can help you under their cost. You know, that would come under your cost. If you pay $1,000 for your policies and procedures packet, of course, we will help you get whatever it is you need so that we can get your packet submitted to the state for you. Okay? Just wanted to share that quick video. Food for thought. As always, when it comes on my mind, I bring it out and I share it with you. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you for following. You have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me over an email or a text message. Okay, you get me quicker by email or text. 770-255-8639. Samantha Brown-Hightower, coach and consultant for private home care, personal care home, non-emergency medical transportation, and more. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.